In today's video I will replace my stock mountain bike handlebar with a carbon one. I opted for a Chinese handlebar, since it is much more affordable. This particular model has been put to some rigorous testing by some XC racers here in my country, and it held up pretty well for over 10,000 kilometers, and still going strong. If you're thinking of buying one for yourself, I will leave the details in the description. There are two main advantages of having a carbon handlebar instead of an aluminum one. The first advantage is that it absorbs shocks and bumps pretty well, and reduces hand-wrists pain since it can flex much more than an aluminum handlebar. The second advantage is that it is much more lighter, and that's a winner in my book, since I am a weight freak and like to shave every gram off my bike. Let's remove the old handlebar and install the new one. This is a pretty straightforward and simple process. You just need a set of Allen keys, and you are good to go. I will leave you with the video since there is not much explaining to do, and if you have any questions you can pop them in the comments, and I will gladly reply.